New Farmall A with a woods mower on it. Tires are a little rough, but they'll do. Old gas. Starter's got some issues. Shouldn't be nothing bad. Just have to get the Bendix unseized. We'll see here in a minute. Just draining out all the old gas. Good fluids. So it's already been switched over to 12 volts. Got wheel weights on the back. Doesn't look like the rims are too bad. Doesn't have calcium in it, I don't think. Well, Bendix was seized. Got the starter pulled off and unseized, so we're gonna see if she'll crank over now. Yeah. Hard to video and run the choke. The choke pulls back by itself. Well, I have a set of plugs kicking around. I'm gonna swap these plugs out. I've probably gonna have to dig into that to make some good spark, but some new fuel should be okay. So I got the new plugs installed. That old gas focuses, you can tell that there's a bit of carbon there, but I got spark, so she should go. Battery's pretty much shot, but it runs and drives.